Okay, this is the worked example for the part A of the mock exam that we went through on Friday, the 29th of April 2022. I'm briefly going to go over this section. It gives you an overview of what you're expected to do, where the activities are going to be, and that part A is 3 hours. It outlines what activities you should be doing and how you should be labeling those up. Particularly that there should be 6 PDF documents and your final database within the folder. That is a vital importance. Well, on the day, you'll register it by the centre number, your registration number, your surname, and the first part of your first name, forename. There's a bit of an indication for part B, and then we get into part A. And what I intend to do in this is just go through how to solve each one. So there'll be a small collection of videos that you will work through here. So it says spend 10 minutes reading the task scenario and the activities you are to complete. Now this is really, really important because it's going to allow you to get to grips with an overview of the assignment before you do anything else. So you've been asked to create a database for Smart Art. They run exhibitions in art galleries. Galleries are either combo or commercial, and the combo gallery is a gallery in the premises of another company, for example, a furniture store. Artists show their work at exhibitions in the gallery. The database will record information about galleries, artists, and exhibitions. Now, we know from the solution earlier that we have 4 tables in this, and this is where you've just got to be mindful, and it's important that you read the entirety of the solution before you continue and run off and make 3 tables. So there's a couple of validation techniques here. An exhibition runs for 3 days and no more than 10. An exhibition is for a single artist and held in a single gallery. Data kept about the artist includes their surname and their initial of their first name. The initial must be uppercase. Okay, so we've got some what look to be validation techniques or rules here. Now we've then got the data. Now I'm just going to spin this round a little bit so we can see it. And we're doing this, and this is just the introductory video before we get into actually building anything. Now, as I said in class, there are a couple of giveaways that lead me to assume, well, obviously I've seen the mark scheme as well, that this is a 4-table database. Now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 IDs here, which leads me to the conclusion that there are 4 primary keys here and therefore should be 4 unique tables. That's one of the giveaways. Now, I'm not saying that's a hard and fast rule, but it's something you may wish to look at. The other thing that we need to look at here is we've got gallery type, which is repeating data. This data appears multiple times down here. So I've had an overview of what the task is. I've got an overview of the data here, and then I'm just going to scroll back down to and change my view here to see what we've got. Now, task A, it gives you an idea of how long you're going to spend on this, so 45 minutes of the 3 hours you're given. You're going to do it using your computer. Save the documents as specified, and it tells you how to save them here, and it tells you how many marks. So it's database relationship screen print. Study the data extract provided in figure 1, and that's the one we just looked at, and create an efficient database structure that minimizes duplication, accepts the data provided, uses recognized naming conventions, and ensures data integrity. Okay, so I'm going to stop the video there because that's a short introduction to the task, and then we'll move on to the creation of it.